Hello students, welcome to MGC Learning. I am Manju Dilip. Today I am going to start with the 12th Standard Mathematics chapter Differentiation Part 3. We already discussed in the previous video about derivative of composite function and we solved some questions. So today again we are discussing about the same topic but solving more questions. So the first question is differentiate the following with respect to x. And the question is first one, x square plus 4x plus 1 whole cube plus x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole raised to 4. So let y is equal to the given question. You will write first. Differentiate with respect to x. That is dy upon dx is equal to derivative of the whole function. You will write. Then derivative of the first function plus derivative of second function because derivative of u plus v format is given. So derivative of u plus derivative of v. Now the derivative of first function is in the format of derivative of x raised to n. And we all know that derivative of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. So here in the place of n it is 3. 3 into x raised to 3 minus 1 that is 2 into derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1. Because this is not in the format of x. It is quadratic expression. So you have to take the derivative of this also. Plus here again x raised to n format. So 4 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole raised to 3 into derivative of inside function. So this will become 3 into x square plus 4x plus 1 whole square into derivative of x square plus 4x plus 1 is derivative of x square is 2x, derivative of 4x is 4, derivative of 1 is 0. Plus second function again the same. So 4 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole cube into derivative of x cube minus 5x minus 2 is 3x square minus 5. Now we are just adjusting. So 3 into 2x plus 4 into x square plus 4x plus 1 whole raised to 2 plus 4 into 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole cube. Here in the first term you can take 2 outside. So 2 3s are 6 into x plus 2 into x square plus 4x plus 1 whole square plus 4 into 3x square minus 5 into x cube minus 5x minus 2 whole cube. This is the final answer. Next question is log of tan cube x into sine raised to 4x into x square plus 7 whole raised to 7. So two trigonometric functions and one algebraic expression. In the product form it is given inside log of x in the place of x it is given. So we'll consider by using laws of logarithm. We can take this as log of ABC and we can split it as log a plus log b plus log c. So log of tan cube x plus log of sine raised to 4x plus log of x square plus 7 whole raised to 7. Now differentiate with respect to x. Dy upon dx is derivative of the first function plus derivative of the second function plus derivative of the third function. Here in the place of x it is tan cube x, but we will consider this as the first function is log x format. So derivative of log x you have to take, that is 1 upon, in the place of x it is tan cube x, and since it is not x you have to take the derivative of tan cube x also. The same procedure you have to follow in the second and third function. So 1 upon sine raised to 4x into derivative of sine raised to 4x plus derivative of log of x square plus 7 whole raised to 7 is 1 upon x square plus 7 whole raised to 7 into derivative of x square plus 7 whole raised to 7. So here derivative of tan cube x is in the format of x raised to n again, and derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1, and since it is not x you have to take the derivative of tan x also. Derivative of tan x is sec square x and the denominator as it is, plus here again derivative of sine raised to 4x is in the format of x raised to n. So 4 into sine raised to 3x into derivative of sine x is cos x upon sine raised to 4x plus here x raised to n format again. So 7 into x square plus 7 whole raised to 6 into derivative of x square plus 7 is 2x upon the denominator is as it is. Now here tan square x you can cancel from both numerator and denominator. So 3 into sec square x upon tan x plus 4 here sine cube x you can cancel. So 4 cos x upon sin x plus Here x square plus 7 raised to 6 you can cancel. So 7 into 2x upon x square plus 7. Now sec square x can be written as 1 upon cos square x and tan x can be written as sin x upon cos x. So cos x can be cancelled from here and here. So in the next step it will become 3 upon cos x upon sin x plus 4 cos x upon sin x is cot x plus 2 so 14x upon x square plus 7. So 3 upon sin x into cos x plus 4 cot x plus 14x upon x square plus 7. If you are multiplying 2 in numerator and denominator, this function will become like this. So 3 2s are 6 upon 2 sin x cos x. And the formula for this is 2 sin x cos x is sin 2x. So 6 upon sin 2x plus 4 cot x plus 14x upon x square plus 7. And you can write 1 upon sin 2x as cosec 2x. So 6 cosec 2x plus 4 cot x plus 14x upon x square plus 7. This is the final answer. So next question is 25 raised to log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 log tan x to the base 4. Here both the bases, here the base is 25 and the base of this logarithmic function is 5. So you can change this function base as 5 square and here for 16 can be written as 4 square. So let y is the given function. Now this can be written as 5 square into log 5 square raised to log sec x to the base 5 minus 16 can be written as 4 square raised to 4 tan x to the base 4. Now this 2 you can take it out of this bracket. So this will become 5 raised to 2 log 5 sec x minus 4 raised to 2 log tan x to the base 4. Now by using the law of logarithm, b log x can be written as x raised to b. So we will change this function to 5 raised to log sec x whole square to the base 5 minus 4 log tan x to the base 4 tan x square. This 2 will become the power of this one, law of exponential. Then we have one result, a raised to log x to the base a. If the base and the another function base here a both are same, then this function become x. Then only we can remove this one, and here it is logarithmic function and exponential functions are coming. That's why we are getting x as the answer. So sec x whole square, this will cancel and you will get sec x whole square minus tan x whole square. This can be written as sec square x minus tan square x. And we all know that fundamental identity sec square x minus tan square x is 1. Now we are differentiating. In this question we are not taken derivative till here. We are just solving and minimizing this function till here. Then we are taking derivative with respect to x. So derivative of 1 is 0. This is the final answer. Next question is log of e raised to x square into 5 minus 4x raised to 3 upon 2 upon cube root of 7 minus 6x. So let y is the given function. So here this is product rule as well as quotient format. So log of ab upon c format is the given questions. Log a plus log b minus log c you can write. So log e raised to x square plus log 5 minus 4x raised to 3 upon 2 minus log of cube root of 7 minus 6x. Differentiating with respect to x. So derivative of the whole function, that is derivative of since here log e raised to x square is given, logarithmic and exponential functions are given. So x square log e you can write it here and log e is 1. So the function will become x square. Now we'll take derivative of each the function. So derivative of x square is 2x and here x raised to log x raised to n format. So log a raised to b can be written as b log a. So we will do that. So 3 upon 2 derivative of log 5 minus 4x minus here. This function can be written as log of 7 minus 6x whole raised to 1 upon 3. So that 1 upon 3 you can take it here. So log x raised to a is equal to a log x is the reason. So we are taking here 1 upon 3 into this function. Now we can take the derivative of this function. So 2x plus 3 upon 2 into, this is log x format, derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so 1 upon 5 minus 4x into derivative of minus 4x. You have to 5 minus 4x you have to consider. Derivative 5 is 0 and derivative of minus 4x is minus 4. Minus 1 upon 3 into log of 7 minus 6x is log x format only. So derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So here log of 7 minus 6x is given. So derivative of this is 1 upon 7 minus 6x into derivative 7 minus 6x you have to find out. That is derivative 7 is 0 and derivative minus 6x is minus 6. The next step 2x minus 2 cancels, 2 3s are 6 upon 5 minus 4x, minus into minus plus, and 3 cancelled with this one, so 2 upon 7 minus 6x is the final answer. Next question is, assume that f dash 3 is equal to minus 1, g dash 2 is equal to 5, g of 2 equal to 3, and y is equal to f of g of x. Composite function is given here. Then derivative of this function with respect to at x equal to 2 you have to find out. So here solution, let y is equal to f of g of x, differentiate with respect to x as it is. Now derivative of f of g of x is f dash g of x into derivative of g of x is g dash x. So when x is equal to, because the question is with respect to, sorry, at x equal to 2 is given. So at x equal to 2 this function will become f dash of g of 2 into g dash 2. So here inside term g of 2 is given as 3 in the question. So we have just substituted that in that place, and g dash 2 is 5. So f dash 3 is minus 1 into 5, that is minus 5 is the final answer for this question. Next question is, a table of values of fg, f dash and g dash is given. And this is the question you have to solve. So first question I'll solve for you. Remaining you have to solve it as homework question like. So if r of x is equal to f of g of x, find r dash 2. So r dash x you have to find out. So r dash x is equal to f dash of g of x into g dash x. Then when x is equal to 2, r dash of 2 is equal to this function. G of 2 is here. When x is equal to 2, g of 2 is 6. So we are substituting that value in the place of g of 2 here. And g dash 2 you can get it from here. G dash of 2, that is g dash of 2 is the same row, it is 4. So we are substituting that value here. So f dash of 6 is f dash of 6, that is this row, that is minus 4 into 4, that is minus 16 is the final answer for this question. I've given so you have to solve this question number 2, 3, 4 as exercise question. So 2 more questions are given here also. So you have to solve it. Thank you.